To start, I will make the magic ring. After making the magic ring, I'm going to work 6 single crochet here inside the ring. Close the ring. Insert the needle into the first stitch and makes a slip stitch, closing the first round. To start back to next, work a chain and 2 single crochet at the same point as the base. To continue, let's work 2 single crochet for each base point. This way, we will have a total of 12 single crochet. I close the second lap with a slip stitch on the first stitch. Before we start the third lap, I'm going to finish that initial leftover wire. To the third lap, I make a chain. Now I will insert the needle into this loop behind the chain. I look for the thread I pass inside the strap. I insert the needle here at the first stitch. Just taking the back handle, I look for the wire I pass inside. I do the same thing. At the next 2 stitches, I look for wire. I introduce the needle just by picking up the back handle and looking for thread. Being with 5 handles on the needle, loop again, step inside of all handles, and I finish doing a chain. We stay up here with 2 chains. This is the star point. To make the following, I will introduce the needle into this chain space at the last stitch worked, and in the next 2, stitches always taking the back handle of the stitches. This way, I will get 5 straps on the bow needle. Step inside of all handles. Wire loop and finish. Second star point. So we're going to work this way until we get 6 star stitch saint underneath these that I'm making. The first and last stitch, they are a little different. So I will work on my stitches. And when I get to the last one, I'll be back. I'm at the last stitch. And here I already inserted the needle in the loop of chain at the last stitch of the base. And at the next stitch, to complete the 5th handle, I will introduce the needle in the slip stitch, picking up the back strap of the slip stitch. From the previous row now, I tie the thread and finish. The star stitch. This way. To end this tour, I will make one slip stitch. Right here, at the beginning, on the first star stitch round. For the next row, make a chain. A single crochet in that first little space. In the next space, I will work on 2 single crochet at the same stitch. In the next space, I work 1 single crochet taking the 2 handles. Always picking up the 2 handles. This round is at the next stitch. 1 increase, 2 stitches at the same stitch. We're going to follow with this sequence from a single crochet. A raise all around. We will click this way with 18 single crochet. After finishing the 18 stitches, make 1 slip stitch in the first single crochet. Now let's start another career with the star stitch. So I will start the first stitch here, inserting the needle into the back handle looking for the thread. At the first stitch of the base, inserting the needle just into the back handle, I look for the wire, and I do this at the next 2 stitches. This way I have 5 straps. I draw all the straps. And I end up making a chain. So we made the first star stitch. I will work on the other stitches. And the star stitch will always be half of the base stitches EL. So in the case in the previous row, it was, let's stick to 9 stitches. When we get here at the last star stitch, at the 9th stitch, we are going to do the same way as in the previous row. And the last handle we will introduce. Here at the slip stitch, just taking the back handle and finalizing as usual the star stitch. I close the loop with a slip stitch on the first stitch. Now let's do a chain and 1 single crochet for each base space. We will be 18. I have already closed my career. I make a chain and start 1 more turn. With star stitch, it will be 9 stitches. After finishing all stitches, I close the loop with a slip stitch For the next turn, let's start with a chain. We will 2 single crochet 1 stitch for each stitch. After the 2 single crochet in the next work step, 1 increase 2 stitches at the same stitch. I continue with this logic all over again, making 2 single crochet 1 increase. So I finished this lap with 24 stitches. Now I will insert the needle into the first single crochet, and I make a slip stitch. After, I make a chain and start another turn with star stitch. And on this turn, we will make half from the base stitches, in case 12 stitches. After finishing the row with star stitch, we will start a turn from a single crochet to each ready stitch on the base. We will stay here in this round with 24 stitches. For the next lap, we will work 12 star stitches. After finishing the lap with star stitch, let's start the next lap making 3 single crochet, 1 stitch for each stitch. And after making the 3 single crochet, we will make 1 increase. In the next space, I keep making 3 single crochet 1 increase. All around. I then finish the round with 30 single crochet. Start a ride with star stitch. And here we will make 15 star stitch. After making the turn with the star stitch, let's make a chain and 1 stitch for each base point. And from here, you can use this logic to grow your piece. Even the desired size is always interspersing the turns. As I showed, ready guys, I finished my piece with 48 single crochet. You can grow up to the size you prefer in that magnifying rule I showed in the video. And here I will do the final finish of the piece. In case you want your piece to be a little firmer, passes mixture, water and white water-based glue. Only on the inside of the piece, wait for it to dry ready. This is the end result of our piece today. This beautiful Christmas pine. All in high relief. Very simple and quick to do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, don't forget to leave your like. And I'm waiting for you in a next video. Until more